Hello learners, welcome back to my channel Lightup Knowledge and very warm welcome to today's video. In today's video, we will cover onomatopoeia, which is a figure of speech. Before moving on further, I would like to say that this topic is very important from the perspective of NET UGC English or GATE MA English entrance exam. We'll be learning this topic thoroughly from its meaning, associated glossaries and examples drawn from the most celebrated authors of English literature. So it's a request to my students to watch this video completely, as a part miss can cause an incomplete understanding, which I am sure no one wants. So basically, we will cover this topic onomatopoeia in two parts. The first part will be onomatopoeia from the perspective of narrow sense, and the following video will be about onomatopoeia, the part 2 of which will deal with its broader sense. So without any further ado or delay, let's jump right in. Let us now understand onomatopoeia in narrow sense. The part 1 video, that is this video, will be about onomatopoeia from the perspective of its narrow sense, and the following video, as I told, will be about its broader sense. Onomatopoeia in narrow sense is a combination of sounds. So onomatopoeia relates to combination of sounds in a word that imitates or suggests what the word refers to. So basically it is such a combination of words, and if you look at the word and you will read the word, what effect will it produce? It will be as if the sound is imitated through a word. Okay, so basically the formation and the use of words to imitate the sound is known as onomatopoeia. Okay, if you take an example like grunt grunt goes the hog. So grunt grunt, so basically the word is echoing the sound that the poet is trying to interpret. So grunt is here onomatopoeia. It is that musical effect that's put by an author, writer, poet. So the next point is, in this literary term, the sound suggests its sense or meaning. So the sound is suggesting the sense and the meaning. In this figure, sound plays the most important role. Yes, of course, in this figure of speech, sound plays a very important and a crucial role, because it overall gives a very a musical effect to the piece of poetry or written work. Okay, so therefore this topic is this topic is important for those, for example, if you are writing something about a conversation between animals, okay, so or stories like Jungle Book, you'll see a lot of examples related to onomatopoeia, because it tries to give a musical effect. Next is, when the sound or a word echoes its meaning, we call the effect onomatopoeia. As I said, that when a sound is imitating, okay, the word is imitating the sound, that effect is called as onomatopoeia. If you will look at these examples closely, and if you'll read this word and Google the sound, you'll be you'll be observing that the word imitates the sound that it is producing. For example, dong, crackle, moo, pop, whiz, whoosh, zoom, etc. You can pause this video, and you can listen to the sounds, and you will be observing that these words imitate the sounds that you will hear. So basically onomatopoeia in narrow sense is a combination of sounds that imitates words. Let us now closely observe how beautifully poet uses onomatopoeia to give musical effect to his writing. The first one is, and beauty born of murmuring race. So the words which are bold with red are the examples of onomatopoeia. So murmuring, the sound of murmur. Next is, she heard the humming of bees. So the word is imitating the sound, the humming of bees. Cooing cuckoos arrested my attention. Cooing is onomatopoeia, the sound. Grunt grunt goes the hawk. So grunting is the sound, that's onomatopoeia. I heard the meow of the cat. So the cat meows like meow. So meow, it is imitating the word imitates the sound. The next is the snake hisses in the bush. So the sound of hiss is a hair onomatopoeia. So that was all for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Keep learning and keep growing.